Look, listen, and repeat. T-shirt. T-shirt. She chose a comfortable cotton t-shirt for her morning workout. Polo shirt. Polo shirt. The polo shirt is perfect for a sporty look. Shirt. Shirt. He wears a plaid shirt with rolled-up sleeves. Blouse. Blouse. She combines her blouse with a high-waisted skirt for a polished look. Sweatshirt. Sweatshirt. He put on a comfortable sweatshirt for a lazy day at home. Sweater. Sweater. He wears a sweater and jeans to look casual. Vest. Vest. He wears a vest over a white shirt. Blazer. Blazer. She chose a navy blue blazer with jeans for a smart casual look. Jacket. Jacket. She put on a jacket to keep warm during the chilly evening hike. Tank top. Tank top. A tank top is ideal for intense workout, allowing freedom of movement. Skirt. Skirt. She twirled in her pleated skirt, enjoying how it flowed around her. Dress. Dress. This dress is perfect for a summer picnic with its lightweight fabric. Shorts. Shorts. Athletic shorts are lightweight and perfect for morning run. Pants. Pants. She was wearing red tailored pants and a white shirt. Jeans. Jeans. Scuffed jeans have a loose fit and go with a graphic t-shirt. Suit. Suit. He chose a suit for his business meeting. Tracksuit. Tracksuit. Tracksuit is made of moisture-wicking fabric and is ideal for intensive workouts. Test yourself. What is the picture of? T-shirt, shirt, sweatshirt, polo shirt. Shirt. What is it? Vest. Which picture shows skirt? This one. What is it? Blazer. What is the picture of? Jacket, dress, sweater, jeans. Dress. Which picture shows tracksuit? This one. What is it? Pants. What is the picture of? Blouse, t-shirt, suit, vest. T-shirt. Which picture shows sweatshirt? This one. What is it? Tank top.